Imagine traveling back in time to a world where cities were carved from mountains and secrets whispered between stone walls. Today we step into Petra, the legendary lost city of the desert, a place where the past is written not in ink, but in rock. Prepare to journey with us through the ancient gates of Petra, to trace the footsteps of a civilization that transformed the heart of Arabia into a crossroads of culture, commerce, and art. Amidst towering sandstone cliffs and eternal silence, there awaits a city that refuses to be forgotten. Hidden for centuries, Petra stood shielded by its desert guardians until 1812, when Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt brought its wonder back to light. But even before its rediscovery, Petra had already secured its place as one of humankind's most dazzling achievements. Our story stretches back more than 2 millennia, when the Nabataeans, an Arab people with a wanderer's spirit and an artisan's hand, found prosperity in these formidable lands. Masters of commerce, they built their city at the meeting point of vital trade routes, linking the treasures of Arabia and the East with the bustling empires of Rome, Egypt, and Greece. As caravans laden with frankincense and silk made their passage, Petra thrived. Yet it was not only trade that brought this city greatness. The Nabataeans harnessed the might of engineering, sculpting reservoirs and aqueducts, lifelines weaving through stone to outwit the desert's thirst. In a land where water is life, they turned scarcity into abundance, their feats of ingenuity ensuring the city could flourish even as the relentless sun bore down. And at the city's heart looms al-siq, the Treasury. Cut from sheer sandstone, this masterpiece is more than an ancient tomb. Its elegant blend of Hellenistic grace and Eastern mystery speaks to Petra's unique position at the crossroads of worlds. High above the city sits the monastery, or ad-Dair. Its vast facade dwarfs even the Treasury, exuding both serenity and power. The climb to its threshold is rewarded by sweeping vistas, Petra unfolding like a living tapestry beneath the sky. Every stone in Petra tells its own story. The royal tombs, once home to kings. The great temple and its colonnades, echoing with the footsteps of worshippers. The street of facades, where nobility and citizens once mingled. Wandering the city, you realize it is not only a place of the past, it is history etched into the earth and enduring in every grain of sand. Preserving Petra means balancing reverence with discovery, ensuring that centuries from now, the pink cliffs and shadowy canyons still stand to inspire and amaze. Petra is more than a city lost and found. It is a living monument to what humanity can imagine and create, even in the world's most unforgiving places. Thank you for walking these ancient paths with us. If this glimpse into Petra's timeless beauty has sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Timeless Sparks community, where every journey brings the past alive. And if you've traveled to Petra, share your memories and impressions below. There's always more history waiting to be discovered, perhaps in your own story.